Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add custom widgets in Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Widgets in Windows 11. To add custom widgets in Windows 11 using Rainmeter, follow these steps. Make sure you have Rainmeter on your PC, then access it on your hidden icon in the bottom right corner, then click on Rainmeter. Now visit the website called Rainmeter Hub, link in the description below, to find a variety of Rainmeter skins, widgets, then go to skins, then choose your preferred skin by clicking on it. Download the Rainmeter skin that you want to use. Make sure to download from reputable sources to avoid malware. Then it will redirect you to DeviantArt. To download it, make sure you have an account. Then click on download once you have. Once downloaded, double click on the orange skin to install the Rainmeter skin on the downloads folder. Then follow the installation prompts and the Rainmeter skin installer window. Access Rainmeter on the show hidden icons to open it. In the Rainmeter window, you will see a list of installed skins, widgets. Under skins and the left sidebar, expand the folders to locate the specific Rainmeter skin you want to use. Choose the skin folder and load the individual widgets by clicking on them and selecting load. This will now place the custom widgets on your desktop according to the design of the Rainmeter skin. Now, let's right-click on the Rainmeter widget on your desktop to access its settings. Depending on the skin, you can customize various aspects such as color, size, and behavior of the widget. Click and drag the custom widgets to position them on your desktop according to your preference. You can overlap widgets, align them in these specific formations, or resize them as needed, as mentioned using the drag and drop feature. By following these steps, you can add custom widgets and personalize your Windows 11 desktop using Rainmeter. Experiment with different Rainmeter skins to create a unique and functional desktop setup tailored to your preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.